Captain, for a safe course, we need the actual map, not guesses, so let's uncover how to use actual. Meaning 1, real, existing in fact, not imagined. Actual means real or true, not a guess or a story. Example, please show me the actual document. Common use, actual facts, actual problem, actual number, actual reason. Meaning 2, exact, precise, not estimated. Actual can mean the exact or precise amount, size. Example, we need the actual size before we print. Common use, actual size, actual length, actual distance, actual time. Meaning 3, realised, observed result, versus planned, expected. Actual can compare what really happened to what was planned. Example, the actual cost was higher than the budget. Common use, actual versus planned, forecast, budgeted, target figures. Trim the sails, Captain. Time to use actual in real situations.
They'll speak with grace and go.
3, 2, 1.
They'll speak with grace and go.
3, 2, 1.
They'll speak with grace and go.
3, 2, 1.
Excellent work, Captain. With the actual data in hand, set your course for the next island.